my name is Gurveer Dhami, student number 99159155 from Sheridan College, Brampton. So today I'm going to share my views on my topic climate and subtopic spring season. So let's talk about climate. What is climate? A climate is a prevailing weather conditions in a region for a long period of time. As we can see in this map, it is a map of Canada. We can see that the climate, the most of the color of the map is blue. It means that the climate of the Canada is cold rather than hot because it has a very low space for the hot climate. And now we are going to compare the climate of Canada and Australia. So Canada mostly experiences snow and cold weather. The temperature ranges from minus 25 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius. That means there are a lot of temperature fluctuations in the Canada country. And whereas in Australia, the Australia has a tropical climate with wet and dry season, and the temperature ranges from 25 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius with high humidity. It means that there is a mostly hot weather in this country. Now coming to the Canada spring season. The spring season in Canada lasts from March to May. The days become warmer and the nights become cooler. The spring season starts after winter and succeeds to summer. In this season, we can see that the trees start sprouting at the end of the March, and by the starting of the April, the flowers start blossoming. Talking about the average temperature of Canada spring season, we can see that the highest temperature ranges from plus 8 degrees Celsius to 19 degrees Celsius in May, and the lowest temperature is in the March, that ranges from minus 7 degrees Celsius to plus 2 degrees Celsius. Canada spring season precipitation. So the minimum precipitation is in April with 72 millimeter. That rises by 2 in the 74 in the March by 74 millimeter, and it rises by 5 millimeter in the month of May, that is 79 millimeter. And the additional features of spring season are there are a lot of rains and the wind blows, and there are a lot of temperature fluctuations in the Canada country. Talking about the weather event during spring season, that is flood. Floods are caused due to melting of snow. As we can see in this picture there is a lot of there was a lot of snow that was melted due to the high temperature. So, and as we have told earlier that the floods also result as a rain because there are a lot of rains in the spring season. So due to warm and humid air rises, that leads to storm and it causes flash floods. It also results from hurricanes, and that can also become extra tropical cyclones. So coming to the spring season of Australia. The spring season in Australia lasts from September to November. It is also characterized by sunny days and cool nights, that is as similar as to Canada. And the spring season in Australia can be predicted by jacarands and wildflowers that often blooms in the spring season. So one can be happy to know that after seeing that these flowers are bloomed, and now it is a time for spring season. So the average temperature of spring season in Australia. The highest temperature in the Australia is in November, that ranges from plus 10 degrees Celsius to plus 23 degrees Celsius, and the lowest temperature is in September, that ranges from 4 degrees Celsius to 16 degrees Celsius. The precipitation in Australia is maximum in the month of September, that is 65 millimeter, and that decreases by 3 millimeter in October, and that further decreases by 3 millimeter in the month of November. So additional feature for the spring season in Australia is Kangaroo Islands. One can see a lot of flowers blossomed and bloomed in Australia. And the most special weather event of the spring season is Melbourne Cup horse race, and it is one of the most greatest event of national scale. Now coming to the weather event of Australia. The bushfire is very drastic weather event of Australia. It is a slower moving, higher heat output. It is caused due to hot and dry fuel loads that such as small branches, leaf litter, and fallen bark. Due to this all things they got dry and they catch fire easily. So it also results in global warming and high temperature and production of carbon dioxide, due to which there is a loss of life and economic damage. At last, these are a list of references that I have taken all the materials from. So thanks a lot for your patience. Thank you.